Fold your paper in half. Don't use the folded part. Find the part that opens. Put the ruler and draw a line. Now draw a line and a line. One line at the top, one line at the bottom. You are not going to cut past there. Cut your first line all the way down to the big line and cut. Another line and another line and another line. Don't make them too narrow, make them about as wide as your finger. A nice finger space in between each cut. Don't cut down past here or your lantern will fall apart. Don't cut down past here. Keep cutting. So your lantern looks like it has got lots of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, it's got 10 fingers. Open it up. And you need to put glue down one side. All the way down. Using a glue stick, be very careful. And then you're going to curl it around and you're going to stick. Should have two pieces that are sticking together. Then you have a lantern. Now what we need to do is do a handle. Make a handle. Get another piece of paper and about 1 finger wide, cut all the way down. Some glue on each end, just on the ends, because the ends are what are going to stick. Pick it up and put it inside your lantern. One side, and then bend it over and the other side. To make sure it's strong, you can put a piece of sticky tape and you can put a piece of sticky tape on the other end to make sure that it stays together. There you have a lantern for New Year.